Portugal was not one of our best competitors. I think the games with Montenegro and Serbia will be harder. And I'm happy about the victory, and we'll try hard in next games.
What about the condition of competition?
I think it's really good competition, good teams. It's well organized and it's a great pool here, and we feel very comfortable here, and it's super nice.
So first time in Algeria?
Yes, it's first time in Africa and Algeria, and I'm very happy to be here.
What do you think about the reception in the airport?
Oh, everything was perfect. It was very good.
Thank you, good luck.
Thank you.
Your name?
I am Yasha Lach.
Yeah?
Yasha Lach.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.